Okay, we are in the last game of pool play. This is 14U division. We have the #1 seed in Kelly Belardi serving with SAVANNAH STANDAGE, serving Kelly Sussman, another Mbsand player, and Kate Austin from EVC. Nice set, Kelly. So the score is 4-1. SAVANNAH and Kelly are 2-0 in pool play. A lot of the college coaches come to this tournament. You have to be pretty darn good to be here. You have to have won a tour stop. So it draws the college coaches are recruiting. So on this score, for example, we have Marcio Sicoli behind SAVANNAH from Pepperdine. We have John Mayer from LMU. We have Andrew Fuller from Stanford. Oh, check it out, the girls actively recruiting many of them. Nice cut by Kelly. SAVANNAH and Kelly have had a very successful career. Sounds crazy to say career since they're only 14 years old, but they both have been playing for a long time, and together they make a phenomenal team. I don't have the record win and loss, but it's pretty phenomenal. SAVANNAH is now a freshman at Miracosta High School. Freshman at Marymount High School. Both have been part of the high performance HP program at the A1 level for the past 3 years, respectively. Got a nice floater from Kelly. Really hard to side out or attack on the west side of the court right now. The wind just pushes the sets in a lot easier on that side, the strand side. SAVANNAH did not get a strong approach there. Nice dig here. Let's see if she gets a better approach. Okay. On the other side, Kelly Sussman on the blue shirt, so freshman at Miracosta. Both Kelly Sussman and SAVANNAH serving made the freshman team at Powerhouse Miracosta indoor volleyball team. Kelly hitting made the JV team at Marymount. It's a nice swing. Nice set, SAVANNAH. It's a nice hit by Kate. Lefties are hard to read, so few of them. So it's just a different swing that we don't see often. It's a little wide pass, but Kelly goes with SAVANNAH for that wide set. Nice dig. It's a better set. Push that set even more, Kelly. Wow, what a shot.